Students, you can hear me? Send me a message. Students, send me a message whether you can hear me or not first. Kahoot yang ada Kahoot net. Kahoot ang dulu. Ini alta. Can you hear me? Others, everyone? Okay, let's start then. So, I need a response from everyone. There are 15 members. Me, excluding me and co-host, there will be 13 students there. Yeah. Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you have any doubt regarding the lesson, you can unmute and ask. Right, let's start, Laman. Okay. So this is the first lesson, first session that I'm doing online. Uh, I'm really new to this online platform. Yeah, first. Okay. Yeah, I'm really new to this online teaching method, but hope we'll get going. Right. So the lesson today that I'm going to teach you is Lamani, Logic Gates. Hope you already have a writing book with you, and sometimes I may tell you to take screenshots because I can't allow you much time to take the notes down. So at that occasions, you keep your phones ready. And also the recording, I will try to give you. I have to discuss with Mr. and all, and I should discuss with him before giving it to you. So it's better not to leave early. Try to stay in the meeting until it's 10. And the next thing I need to tell you is, yeah, after this session, the screenshots that you take during this meeting, please take down clearly in your notebook. Prepare a nice short note, and that will be very helpful for your exam. If you have any questions, you can chat directly to me, or else the co-host, or else my WhatsApp number. Because when I'm asking you to share your answers, you can capture a photo of your writing book and you can directly WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is quickly note down that 072 494 3352. This is the number. Hope it's not inverted. So I see the screen as inverted. That's the. Is it clear? Right. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Logic, sir. Okay. Fine. Then let's start. Take your writing books ready and share this meeting to your friends. This will be very helpful lesson for your exams as well. So the logic gate lessons carries nearly 5 to 10 marks only. There are some much lessons are there. More other lessons are there that includes most of the marks. Especially if you can take a note, web development lesson. Web lesson is the most targeted lesson, and as well as the database lesson. Database lesson is the number one. Is the number one high priority lesson, and then the web, then the Excel. Those are the three main lessons. If you are in a stage that you don't know anything at right now, please look at those three lessons, and I will do those three lessons in the online before your exams as well. That's my promise. Okay, now let's start the lesson today, the logic gates. It's better if you can cover the number systems lesson that I have uploaded in the YouTube. And now later, after this meeting, you can go and watch it. That has a nice set of shortcuts that you can follow in the examination. If you have any problem with the language that I'm teaching, if I need to use singular and English both, please let me know in the chat. I will use that. Tamil and Danne I don't know Tamil. I can understand Tamil, but I can't speak Tamil well. කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් කතා කරන්න කියලා නෝන්දි වෙන්නේ යන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. Then in this lesson, listen carefully. There are only three things you have to learn. It's very simple. There are only three things you need to learn. Let me draw it to you. Here, there are three components really. First one is the logic circuit diagram. First one is the logic circuit diagram. I'm going to make it the simplest way as much as possible for you. And there's the topic. So here you have the component number 1. All you have to learn is 3 types of conversions here. But so the next thing you have to learn is how to convert this logic circuit diagram to a Boolean expression. Boolean expression. Same like mathematical expressions, Boolean algebra is a separate set of maths. So there also you can write expressions. It's very easy. I will make you easy. Right. Then you have the logic circuit diagram. You should learn in this lesson to convert this logic circuit diagram into a Boolean expression. That is the thing you have to learn. And this is the first type of conversion you have to learn. Then also you should learn how to convert this Boolean expression to the logic circuit diagram like this. That is the second type of conversion that you have to learn. Right? Finally, not only that, there's another thing that is called truth table. That is called truth table. Another thing. So you don't know any of these terms yet. Let's wait. Just identify the things that you need to learn in this lesson. You should know to convert this Boolean expression. It is enough to have the Boolean expressions to get this truth table. But I am recommending try to find the both first. But I should teach you the truth. Boolean expression is enough to generate the truth table. This is the conversion type 3. Third. Those are the 3 things you should learn. 3 things means these 3 components plus this conversion type. Conversion from logic gate to the Boolean expression to the truth table, and Boolean expression to the logic circuit and the Boolean expression to the truth table. Those are the 3 things that you have to learn in this lesson. Take a screenshot now on the month and here. When I'm saying to take screenshots, take away screenshot. This is very important. Listen. Right? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, directly ask. Doubts lamay okay. Right. Okay. If it is clear, please tell me in the chat. Is it clear? Type yes. In this lesson. If that is clear, tell. Yeah. Okay. React. Okay. 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 Right. Then let's jump into the next part. එක තේරෙනවා නම් හරි. හරිද? මම කැඩි කැඩි හිම එන්නේ නේද? I'm clear, right? Right. Okay, yes. Okay, Lamai. So I'm going to erase. Hope you took the screenshot. If you need time, if you need time, please tell me. Parandu, screenshot එක ගත්තද? If you took the screenshot, please let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Yes, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect. Yeah, okay. Fine. Okay, that. Then let's jump into the next part. What the logic circuits? Sir, why do we need to learn this logic circuit? That is the next question that all of you gets. Okay, now, assume a scenario like this. You need to make a thief detection system, smart system for your home. That means in a night time, assume a thief is coming near your door. You fix a motion sensor on top of your door. However, the motion sensor turns on and an alarm, beep, 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 the alarm will be turned on. A sound will be turned on, so the thief will run. If you need to make such a mechanism, you can use this lesson. You can buy the logic gates from the shop. There are circuits that are made using these logic gates. You can buy it, and by soldering what about you can make such systems using this lesson. That is the primary idea for your level. There are logic gates inside the CPUs as well, but that is not your context. I mean, you idea there are logic gates in the ICs. So ICs are there in the CPUs. Those are very shrinked. And when the processors are coming in, they will form a logic gate as their need. So that is done by OS using the CPU's gates. Okay. If you have any questions, you can unmute and ask. But other than that, you can mute yourself. Okay, fine. Message if you want to unmute, ask the thing from the chat and I will allow you to unmute. Right, then this is the scenario. To make such mechanisms only, you need what? These kind of logic gates. Balu, then what are the logic gates? Let's start from the first step. So there are 3 steps. First one, second one, third one. Let's start from the first step. So I'm going to erase the note. First step is logic circuit diagram or the logic circuit gate to the Boolean expression. That is the first type of conversions we are going to do. So, Lamai, these logic gates are formed. How these logic circuits are formed? There are 3 main gates. There are 3 main gates. Gates තුනක් තියෙනවා. There are 3 main gates. What are those 3? Let me draw. First one is a gate like this. You should remember the shape, Lamai. So, what are these lines? These are wires. These are wires. This is the shape. One is very a plane, one is very. So that is the shape for the first gate. This is called AND gate. This is called the AND gate. These are the wires. These are the input wires. These are the input wires. Input wires. This is the output wire. This is the output wire. This is a very simple logic circuit. Using only one gate. Some more gates will adapt to this circuit and it will grow. They will grow. For currently, we should know how these gates are formed, how these circuit diagrams are formed. So this is the first gate you have to learn. This is called the AND gate. Right. Now, another gate. The second type, I said you there are 3 main gates. Combinational gates. For now, these 3 gates are more than enough for today. But I will teach those things as well. But mainly these are the 3 gates. This is called my OR gate. So these are the input wires. This is the output wire. You should remember the shape. Shape then the third type, you have only one wire. This is the Not gate. This gate is called not gate. Listen to you first. Are you having here? Now there are three gates. First one is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. AND gate has how many wires, Lamai? How many wires? Two wires. First wire, second wire. Our first wire, second wire, in the then we will name it. I mean, name of them. Wire A, wire B. You can give any name. No issue. But I am giving, yeah. Question එකක් දාලා තිබෙනවා. chat everyone දාන්න බෑ. එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. දෙන්නම් අද free paid meetings වලදී කියන්නේ ඉස්සරහට ඔයගොල්ලෝ තරම් හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ යනවානේ. After that the normal usual class අඬන්න එපා. අඬන්න එපා දෙන්න. Not today. Not today. Right. And we'll chat everyone through. Okay, these are the three types of gates. Remember the shape. Shape එක මතක තියාගන්න. Get a screenshot quick. Get a screenshot quick. Have a screenshot. Up to now, any doubts? No. See, okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Then, screenshots that are there. Let me know the chat. Put that in the chat. Did you took the screenshots? Yes, yeah, like okay, like let me know please. Then we'll come on. Okay. Okay, who else? Yeah. Yes, answer. Okay. Okay, that. Okay, screenshot it. Okay, now. Now, this is the scenario. I said you, why do we need these logic gates? I have to be logic gates on motion. Let's take the example that I told you earlier. We need to assume, we need to make a system, a smart system. When the thief is coming near to our house, assume this is the thief. Yeah. Assume this is the thief. Altaf. In the thief. Yeah. Thief, right? Altaf is the thief. Yeah. So this is the thief. He is coming to your home now. He is coming to your home. And now you are an IT student. You know. Okay. Yeah. Now you are an IT student. You know the thief, Altaf, is coming to you. The sensor you are plugging a motion sensor like this. MS, motion sensor. So when the Altaf is coming near to this motion sensor, what this motion sensor is doing? It is turning the signal on. You can connect this motion sensor to a wire. Wire connect right? To the wire A. I am connecting this motion sensor to the wire A of this AND gate. Then initially, if the Altaf is not near the motion sensor, you get the zero signal. Numbers signals. So signals, there are two types. What are the two types of signal? Off signal and the on signal. Off signal and the on signal. So the off signal we are denoting by what? Zero. Pain on any screen. Yeah. Off signal we are denoting by zero. Chat. Sir, where are you from? I am from Colombo. University. Where are you? Okay, fine. Then, okay, make them, what happens? I am connecting this motion sensor to my wire A. Initially, the signal is zero. Initially, the signal is zero. Then that bugger Altaf is coming here to this motion sensor. Now what happens? This motion sensor sending the signal. Some person is coming. A thief is coming. Now turn the signal on. Now the signal 1. On signal is denoting by the number 1. That signal comes through this wire. That is the process. We are using the logic gates. That is the basic idea. So each and every wire is connected to a sensor at the end. Diagrams in the exam, they will ask. Right? Each and every wire is connected to a sensor or a switch. or something else, a situation that triggers a signal. Signal එකක් generate කරන point එකකට each and every wire is connected. Now wire A I connected to a motion sensor. I can connect the wire B to a switch, manual switch. So someone should manually turn on the switch. ඒක මම connect කරන wire B එක. If the switch is turned on, B is 0. If the switch is turned off, B is 0. If the switch is turned on, B is turned into 1. That is the idea. General idea. Students, please let me know. Chat again. Is it clear? Yes. Hitting the like button. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Understood. Yeah, very good. Fine. Onari prashna tipo, let me know. Okay, then Lamai. Let's proceed with that. Then all these wires I will give a name. Make a name PQ. PQ. Lamai, no gate has only one wire. Now let's learn what these gates are doing. Let's see what's the process of this gate. We have a gate. There's a small mathematical operation is happening. From each and every this gate, a small mathematical operation is happening. This is what happens. Now, these are like numbers. These are not numbers. I am again saying, numbers mean signals. Signals. On signal 1 of signal, it is 0. Right? So, these are output wires, as I said. So, let's learn what is the process of this AND gate. AND gate again, let me write the process. Okay, let me write the process. AND gate again, my multiplication. Multiplication. That is the process of AND gate. But api Boolean expressions here, multiplication, we don't write the multiplication like this. We write the dot. Dot clear. So dot is equal to multiplication. This dot is equal to multiplication. Remember that. Yeah. Any question? These are the good. Yeah. Can you mute yourself today? Try to mute yourself. Okay, done. Co-host Balan. Hi. Okay. Then and when මොකක්ද? එන දෙක they are looking at like as numbers and they multiply. Now see, if 0, 0 is coming from the AND gate, input wires, what is the output wire generates? What is the output signal? Input signal A is 0, input signal B is 0. Since this is an AND gate, the output signal will be also 0 into 0, output signal will be 0. So, if the input signal is 0, A is 0, B is 1. A is 0, B is 1. What is the output signal? AND gate. Take up when multiplication thing. What's the output signal? 0 into 1. Any number with 0, the basic mathematics we know. Any number with 0 is 0. Very good. Okay, 0. Yes. Then, Lamai, this is 1. A is becoming 1, B is becoming 0. These are different combinations. Both can be 0. A can be off and B can be on. A can be on, B can be off. Those are different situations. Right. In this situation, it's again 0. Yes, very good. Again 0. Then there is a situation where both the signals become 1. Both the signals becomes 1. Then what is the output? Then what is the output? Very good, Alda. Alda, they don't found here. Yes, that is 1. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. What else? Chat okay, very good. Fine. Perfect. So those are the processes. Right. Let's see the O gate. O gate as a plus. O gate is working like a plus. What symbol use no issue. Now let me see. If the P wire gives the 0 and Q wire gives the 0, what is my output? What is my output? 0. Very good. Very good. Tell me your answer. 0. Okay, 0, right. Okay, then Then, if the P becomes 1, Q becomes 0. What is my output? What is my output? 1. Why? P and Q should be added together. P plus Q, 1 plus 0 is 0. Earlier it was AND gate. Earlier 1 into 0. Here this is a O gate. Symbol එක දිහා බලන්න. You should remember O gate කියන්නේ plus. AND gate කියන්නේ multiplication. You should know that. මේවා දාන්න දැන්. You don't put these things. Then it is 1. Okay, now here this becomes 1. This becomes 0. That is another situation. Now what is the answer? Again 1 lamma. Okay. The last situation. This becomes 1. This becomes 1. Then මොකද්ද? add වෙලා 2 වෙනවද ළමයි? Is it maths? මම කිව්වා these are signals. Signals, numbers නෙවෙයි. These are not numbers. These are signals. Yes. 1. Very good. Very good. Very good. ඒ නිසා දෙකම on වුණොත් output එකත් onම තමයි. Numbers විදිහට හිතන්න එපා ළමයි. එහෙම හිතුවොත් තමයි වෙන වෙන numbers වලට එන්නේ. Right? These are signals. Switch දෙකක් on කරොත් light එක කොහොමද on වෙන්නේ? හිතන්න. Both are two switches, output is a light කියලා හිතන්න. එක switch එකක් on කරාම light එක පත්තු වෙයි. Switches දෙකම on කරාත් light එක පත්තු වෙයි. Like that. Simple and easy, right? Right, let's proceed. Then ළමයි, what is this NOT gate? Here, the wire දෙකක් නැහැ. Only one wire. So how many combinations are there? එක්ක බිඳුව එවන්න පුළුවන්. Or else they can send 1. They can send 0. Either they can send 1. Those are the two combinations. Only one wire. Meතරana 2 wires are there. This is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0. However, they can take combinations. But here, only 2 wires. So only one wire. So only 2 combinations. And then, if the R said I am 0, what is the output? This is a NOT gate. NOT gate means opposite. බිඳුවාවක් එකයි එක යවුවොත් බිඳුව. If you send 0, output will be 1. If you send 1, output will be just 0. Those are the two ways. හරිද? Is it clear? මෙහෙ බලන්න ඕන chat එකත් එක්ක බලාගෙන කරන්න ඕනේ කිව්වා. You guys are sending likes and answers in the chat. I can see it. Okay. Alright. Any other questions ළමයි up to here? Take a screenshot of this now. Take a screenshot of this. And let me know whether is it correct. Are you complete crystal clear? Okay. Very good. Others send me, is it clear or not? Is this thing clear or not? Please tell me. Tell me in the chat. Yeah. Okay. Clear. Okay. Clear. Yes, sir. Perfect, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. 100% clear, sir. Okay. Utilizan the palm sir. Okay. Right. Cahoots දෙනවා. This is ICT. Cahoots will be there. මේක නැත්තම් වැඩක් නෑ. අද මේ lesson එකට දැම්මද? I will put. Be there. Patience, sir. Next weekend දෙන්න. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම next week දෙන්න. Okay. Who is that? Okay. Okay, then ළමයි. Then another thing. Hope you all got this screenshot there. Then now these are also logic circuits. This is a circuit. This is a circuit. But with one gate. එක gate එකකින් ඉන්නේ. This is a circuit with one gate, one AND gate. This is a circuit with one OR gate. This is a circuit with one OR gate. Circuits add there will be bigger circuits are growing there. According to your scenario, according to your logical idea, you can make the bigger circuit. Right? So this is a simple circuit. Now, let's see what is the Boolean expression of this now. Now see, I gave you A and B here. And let's take the AND gate A and B. What is the symbol I said you should use in the Boolean expression? Dot. We should use the dot. So my expression for this gate, this circuit will be A is coming from here, B is coming from here. What is the operation? What is the symbol I should put? Multiplication down the back. Then I should put this dot. I should bracket each and every output. There's a one rule in my class students I'm always saying them to do. you should bracket the output. Hamma output bracket. Every output from every gate, every output you should bracket. Body having mistake maybe that is a special thing. So that is the main thing you should do. Now, Balanda, I am getting A. These are the just names I gave for these wires. You see A and B, and I put dot here. This is my output. Now, this is my Boolean expression for this gate. And this is a gate from a AND gate. If a gate taking other body circuit. So here, this is the expression for that. This is the Boolean expression. Boolean expression. Boolean expression. Okay. For this. If that is the Boolean expression for this, tell me what is the Boolean expression for this gate. Okay, in the chat. How should I write that? Take over the line. Put it in the chat. Make A dot B nallamai. Two wires. A, B. This is the symbol. You just put it in the middle. So what is the output of this? Tell me in the chat. P plus Q. Very good. Okay. Here this is what? This is what? P. P. P plus Q. P is coming from here. Q is coming from here. P plus Q. Who are the others? Yes. P plus Q. Very good. Then only capital Q you should use that now. But okay, fine. Then third gate. Now what is this? You are getting R here. You know what then? Output. Type කරන්න බෑ I know. But මෙහෙම type කරන්න පුළුවන්. Type කරද්දි මේක use කරන්න not R. But when you write, එහෙම නෙමෙයි ලියන්නේ. This is wrong. Wrong නැහැ, but this is not the way you write. මෙහෙම නෙමෙයි ලියන්නේ. ලියන්නේ R bar කියලා ලියන්න. Right? Opposite කියලා ලියන්න ඔක්කොම R bar. If it is coming A out, A bar. B out, B bar. Malak out, a flower bar. Right? Whatever the thing coming from the input, output. Now, හිතන්න මෙහෙම ආවා කියලා. A plus B ආවා මේ පැත්තේ. So output will be A plus B bar. Clear? මොකක් ආවත් A ඔක්කොම total bar. එච්චර. උඩින් ඉරක් දානවා. වහලයක් දානවා වගේ ගහන්න. Yes. What else? R dash දාලා තියෙනවා. Okay, fine. ඒකත් පුළුවන්. That's also acceptable. Right, then okay, for you to get the screenshot. So here this will be P plus Q. Here this is R bar. This is R. Okay, now take the screenshot from this. Okay. Let me know once done. Others also please respond. I'm expecting 37 responses. Yeah. Okay. Hurry. Then let's move. Now this is the gate. This is the Boolean expression. Gate expression. Better truth table truth table also in here. Let me tell you this. Truth table when we put this inside a table nicely, it will be a truth table. That may circuit I am drawing a truth table. How to draw the truth table? First, graph idea I will teach this. I will practice in advance this. Still, it is in the introduction level. So, you have to write two columns for the input wires, A and B, another column for the output wire, A dot B. That is my output. A dot input, each and every wire should have a column. That's it. A should have a column, B should have a column, A dot B have a column. Perfect. Right. Then record these combinations directly in here. Record kara. A is a zero situation. B zero situation. Then our output becomes what? At that situation, 0. And then what? A 0, B 1 situation. Output becomes 0, C. A1, B1 situation. Output becomes 0. And then A1, B0 situation. The A1, B1 situation, output becomes 1. These are the situations. So this is the truth table for this cell. This is the truth table for this cell. Here, this is the truth table for that cell. Okay. Okay, I'm expecting you to now draw the truth table for the O gate and send me the capture to via WhatsApp. WhatsApp number. Okay. WhatsApp number. Co-host, can you put my WhatsApp number in the everyone chat? Everyone chat के दाम में WhatsApp number का. मेरा tag गाला capture गाला मटे वाले. I want you to practice, get the practice to work in the online level. Me online निके වැඩ කරගන්න I need you to practice because in my physical classes all my physical students know හැමතිස්සෙම ඉතින් පොත බලනවා I'm going near the student. Now here I can't do that. So I need to know that are you actively participating? So I need your responses. That is very important. Okay. I am expecting the first response. Let's see who's becoming the first. Okay. My number is there in the chat. You can send me the response there. I'm waiting, Amai. I'm waiting. Okay, Shahala. Salim. Perfect. Correct. Bindu and like a couple like a dollar. Hurry. Perfect. Then other second. Who's the second? I'm waiting for your response. Navodya. Okay, correct. Right. Gandhi. Right. Navodya take a look. Bindu doesn't. Okay, any other responses? Any other responses? I'm waiting. Or shall I proceed? You are eating my hand. Right. Okay, I'm going to draw. So what is the truth table for the OR gate? 2 columns for the input wires A, B, and the output column A plus B. Column then the combinations, the inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Me inputs pattern that is very easy. I will teach that later. For now, just get the idea. So just add. Those are the answers. Okay. Then final one. Truth table. So only one wire dilemma. One wire inputs are output is R bar. Output is R bar. Make it wires so if the input is 0, output is 1. Input is 1, output is 0. When the truth tables are these tables are called truth tables. These are the truth tables. The local level this is only one single gate. So we did the logic gate. We wrote the expression. We drew the truth table. Logic gate expression we made the truth table for all the 3 basic. Then when 2 or 3 logic gates are coming together, how it is work? Steps the conversions. Now this is the background idea. Let's learn the conversions now. Before erasing the board, I am giving you to take the screenshot. Run the screenshot. take the screenshot now and let me know. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Truth table का हल्का फाइट कर रहा है. हाँ ये लगा हमने भी. Okay. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Let me know until here everything clear. Then tell me that in the chat. Until here is it okay? Shall I erase? Shall I erase? Yeah. Yes sir. Yes sir. Perfect. Clear. Okay. It's ready. So I'm erasing. Clear. Yes. Yes. Answer. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Then let's start the first type of conversion. What's the first type I said you? Gate to the expression. Gate to the expression. Okay. I'm going to erase. Hope you got the screenshot. Bye. It's the time now. Oh, wait for it. So, why is it? Okay, okay, okay. Why is that? Then I'm going to write the topic. If you are speed, or speed take what confidence na liya. Logic gate to Boolean expression. Boolean expression. Okay, this is the topic. Then, wait. Okay, 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 okay. Any number why is it? I can tell you this. I have all the necessary qualifications, more than enough to teach A levels. Doing A levels too. So we're going to make a photo. That much of qualification I have. Right? For the website, I have it. Okay. Okay. So that's it. A Hi. Then let's start. Logic gate. For an example, I will give you this. Logic gate, a very simple logic gate. If you can draw this, A, B. I am going to make a joint from A and take this. Balanda joint I colored the joint in place. Joint color. There is another fine panel and you can jump and come. I am not a fan of that. Whole was I not the Russian. So my way is this. So see. Okay. This is a simple gate. What is gate? Yes, three gates combined, and this is a gate. And I will show you with this example. This is how. Now this is the gate. We should find what? We should find what? We should find the Boolean expression. Okay. Well, under A is coming here. Expression A is coming here. B is coming here. What is this gate, Lamai? What is this gate? AND gate. What is the operation? What is the symbol for the AND gate? AND gate take a symbol. What is the symbol for the AND gate? Dot. What is the symbol for the O gate? Plus unknown. What is the symbol for the NOT gate? Putting by kakena. Putting by kakena. You can take the whatever the thing is coming here. So those are the operations. Now this is the AND gate. Here you coming A. Here you getting B. You write the A B, and write the relevant symbol. And what is the rule? What is the rule I said you? You should always put the bracket. Bracket එක දාන්න ඕනේ. So, on the bracket එක දාන්න. හරිද? Is it clear? Is it clear? Right. Okay. Clear, clear, clear. ඒක තමයි කරන්නේ. හරි. Then here you can send what is this gate? This gate නම කියන්න. දැන් මතක තියෙන්න ඕනේ using that short note you know. This is what? This is O gate. O gate, what is the operation lamai? What is the operation? Plus. So what are the letters getting? Here you get A from here. Metani joint එකක් දාලා ඉන්නේ. Here see you are getting A from here. You are getting A from here. You are getting C from here. You are getting C from here. So what is the operation? A plus B. So A plus C. A plus C. You have a bracket. You have a bracket. Right? Is it clear? Yes. Now, what is the answer getting from this gate? Any gate එකට පන්ති දෙන්නේ. Here. මෙතන මොකද වෙන්නේ? Now this is an AND gate. මෙතනින් මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ ළමයි? What is you get here? Here this line has A plus A dot B now. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ A dot B. මෙතනින් එන output එක A වම උස්සලා දාන්න. No need to think anything. මෙතනින් එන A නම් ඒක A ම මෙතනට ගියේ. What is coming from this line? You just bring that to the output line. Yes, A dot B from here and here A plus C. මෙතනින් එන්නේ කවුද? Who is coming from here? A plus C. Oh, what is the middle operation? හැමතිස්සෙම take the two things coming from the both sides, put those things and decide the operation. What is the operation? What is this gate? What is this gate? What is the operation? Yes, you should add a dot. This is AND gate, so you should multiply. So this is your output. This is the expression. තේරුණාද නැත්නම්? This is the expression. Right? මෙතනින් එන එක එහෙමම ලිව්වා. මෙතනින් එන එක එහෙමම ලිව්වා. මෙතනින් බලලා operation එක දාන්න. Every time ඕක තමයි කරන්නේ. It doesn't matter how big the gate is, this is the process. මේක හරියටම හරි වෙන්නේ you are putting the bracket from each and every output. ඕක කරන්නේ ගොඩක් අය. Most of the sirs, most of the teachers, they don't teach that. මේ bracket එක දාන්න. bracket එක දාන්න. බලන්න. bracket එක දාපුවොත් කිසිම mistake එකක් වගේ වෙන්නේ. Okay. Yes, good. Good. Perfect. What's up, Ram? Okay. Okay, good. What's up, there? Then I can see. My phone is tell me the name. Namaste. Oh, my. Okay, perfect. Right. Okay, done. Hurry. Okay, then. What somewhere are there? You should find me the expression, the challenge. WhatsApp ever one more. I am waiting for the first response. Are you ready? Ready there are how many participants here? 38, 39 participants are here. I am waiting for your first response. WhatsApp ever that my number is there. Take the photo. I am waiting for the first. Internet now. First 3. Out of 38. Let's see. Ready, right? Take a screenshot first. Other than screenshot, this is the process. This is how we turn a logic gate to a expression. Got it? Got this screenshot right? Okay, now I'm going to erase this. Okay. Okay. Yes. Is it compulsory to put the brackets for the output? Very compulsory. Compulsory නෑ. bracket එක දාන්න. දැම්මොත් ඔයාගේ අතින් කිසි mistake එකක් වෙන්නේ. That is the thing. There is no any mistake. There is no chance to make a mistake from it. If you put the bracket like that. That is the thing. Compulsory නෑ. හරි. අපි දාන්න. වැරදි. හරි. Okay, then ready? ඔන්න මම ලියනවා. Now tell me the output. Output එක මම නාම දෙන්නම් F කියලා. Tell me the F. ටක් ගාලා එවන්න. Tell me the F quickly. දැන් මේවා කොහමද? Very simple. You send the A, output is A bar. මේ not gate එකක් තියෙන්නේ. මෙතනින් A ආවොත් මෙතනින් A bar එන්නේ. ඉතින් A bar ආවොත් and gate එකට එන්නේ A bar. Just send what you get. එන එකම ආයුෂල. Okay. Now I am waiting for my responses. Okay. Let's see how many minutes ඉස්සෙල්ලාම. මට හරියටම track කරගන්න පුළුවන් not like in the class now. class එකේ කිව්වම අත උස්සන්න කියලා රණ්ඩුනේ. Yes, here I can track the timing. Okay. Perfect. 852 volt එකනේ කියලා කියනවා. අල්ටා කියලා දින 851 volts. Yeah. Alta first. First one what are you doing? Alta first. Yeah. Hikma Hisham. Your පොඩි අපි බලමු. පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා මම හදලා බලන්නම්. Altaf your one is wrong. Your one is wrong. F එකක් අදාළ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. This is just the output. හරිද? Yes. Hikma Hisham. Your one is correct by this. Let's see. Shahala, perfect. Yes. Yes, correct. Ilham, perfect. Correct. So the first three, I'm going to say the names. Hikma, Ilham, Shahala. What do they mean? Others, what happened? What happened? Then you know. Okay, very good. Hari. Okay. Hari Alta, correct. No problem. Zook. Okay, correct. Very good. Correct. හැම output එකක්ම ලියන්න. You should write all the outputs. Yes. එහෙමයි කියලා දැන් first place එක දෙන්න බෑ Alta. Okay, correct one. Correct. You are also correct. Next time try. Okay, I am going to write the output now. Listen. Now here you are getting A. You have a NOT gate. What is the symbol? Again, I am going to write O gate num plus AND gate num dot and NOT gate num. You have a bar. So you are getting A. Output is A bar. Right? So you are getting A here. You are getting B here. B is coming. So here, what is the operation? You have A bar here. You have B here. You just put dot and gate එකට dot එක දාන්න this dot එක and bracket ඕක නැත්තම් වැරදි නෑ හරි but ඕක දාන්න right it is must. Okay, put the bracket. Then what is happening? This thing coming to here මෙතන එනවා මේක right. Then here B is coming here. You have a NOT gate. After the NOT gate it becomes B bar. So now this is a O gate, lamai. O gate, what is the operation? Plus, here you can write A bar dot B plus B bar. A bar dot B plus B bar. Is it clear? Let me know in the comments. On other chat. Let me know in the chat. Sir, will you send the recording? I am not sure whether I have to talk with the boss. He is the owner of the platform. So I have to discuss it with him and send you the recording. Things are පුළුවන් නම් try to be. Because now you can see in the classroom, lamai, in this live session, you can interact with me. You are sending the responses, you are sending the your activities in the WhatsApp. I'm checking it like that. And even when you are practicing Kahoots from the next week, lamai, you should be in the class. When you are watching the recording or recording එක බලාගෙන හිටියොත් එහෙම ඔයාට පාඩු. So you lose the chance to experience that thing. Right? That is the difference. මේක තියෙන්නේ එකකට අගර 2 times speed එක දාලා බලලා ඉවර කරගෙන ඉන්නේ. right? හැබැයි බලන්න මම හරියටම select කරලා දෙන්නම් O level යන ළමයින්ට try එකක් දෙන්න. බලන්න. Okay, any other doubts? Any other questions? Crystal. Okay. Right. The next one. දැන් පොඩ ලොකු එකක් දෙන්න. And a little bit bigger one. Ready? Are you ready? The smarter one? Okay. Okay. Do it. බලන්න පුළුවන්ද? Send me the answers in the WhatsApp. I'm waiting for your responses. Now, Alpha first. Very good. Very good. Yeah, correct. Second, I'm waiting for the responses. Come on. Here now. Perfect. Correct. Correct. Very good. Any other responses? So first is Altaf, second is Ilham. Very good. Your active participation means a lot. Who else? Okay. 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 Shania, correct. Then Shahala. Shahala, very good. Correct. I can't say no. It is correct. I was expecting the full answer, but correct. What are you done? Shahala, your answer is correct. Yes. Who is this? Zuha. Correct. That is correct. A into A. Yeah. Correct. A කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. But I was expecting not that. ඒක A level මට්ටමේ එක. But still correct. Very good. Right? Yes, who is this? Hikma. Correct. Hikma, your one is correct. Zuha and Shala, your one is not wrong. Are you guys A-level students? The A-level students. How do you know that concept? Okay. Another one sending me that answer. Tuan also sending me same way. No. ඔකට පොඩ්ඩක් මේක පටලවගෙන ඉවලා තියෙන. ඒක තමයි මේකට හේතුව. No. You don't know the A-level concepts right now. So, let me do this. Let me do this. Listen carefully. Here, you get A. So, this line also becomes A. This line also becomes A. No any other changes. So this is AND gate. Whatever the things you getting from the wires, two wires, you have to write it down. A. What is the operation? AND gate. That is the output. සමහර කට්ටිය මෙතන A විතරක් දාලා තිබ්බා. According to the correct logical theory, it is correct. හැබැයි ඔයාලගේ mistake එකක් නිසා ඒක වෙන්න ඇති කියලා I'm assuming. Or else you should be A-level students. That is a separate theory in the A-level. ඔයගලන්ට ඒක දන්නේ නැහැ. So this is the expected answer. Make it a expect from here, what do we get? Here we get A, here we get B, and here A, B, what is the operation AND gate? Dot. Bracket. Those are the two outputs. Now this is O gate. Now this is O gate. That means plus. You get A dot A here. A dot A here. You get A dot B. here. You get A dot B here and plus. Why this is a O gate? Am I correct? Is it clear? Check the and let me know whether I'm wrong or correct. Okay. Yeah, am I correct? Where put the brackets like me? ChatGPT even on. No. Are you guys using ChatGPT? Over and tell you. This is I'm doing for free for you guys to learn. Right? Okay. Now the time is 9. We have 1 hour more. Buddha. Right. We have 1 hour more. Shall we now shift the next part? Well, we should practice more because practice can only, but not the point. The reverse. Boolean expressions to the logic gate. Boolean expressions for the to the logic gates. Let's see. Right. I'm going to jump to the reverse way now. Here you can write the topic if you are writing it. Write the topic. Boolean expression. This is the second thing. Boolean expression. What? Logic circuit. Boolean expressions to the logic circuit. Okay. Sir, can we write this? Yes, you can write like that. But write that way. Okay, chance ready. I know, you know that. I know. But yeah, multiplication has more priority. So there is no issue writing like that. But follow the step. Samuel, right? Not wrong. Correct. Yes. Okay then. Let me start from an example. Like before, I am saying A dot B plus C. I'm saying A dot B plus C. Right. Now what I am going to do? How to draw the circle? Now here, you have to take the BODMAS into account. Where BODMAS balanto. You should solve bracket first, then make O කියන්නේ of means dot multiplication. Right? Make a bullying current brackets. You have to solve inside the brackets first. Inside the brackets, voila, you should always solve the dot first. Then only plus. Order that's it. Clear the please put it in the chat. Oh, my chat එක නිකන් මට බලන්න මිස් වෙනවා වගේ නම් අදලා unmute කරලා කියන්න. You know if you know. අවුරු වල ඔය chat GPT දාලා කියලා කියන්න. Okay. Hurry. Okay. Let's see. Then how to do this? So what is the first thing you have to do here? මොකක්ද ඉස්සෙල්ලාම solve කරන්න? C plus make a yeah. Okay, I'm getting the answers. මම කතා කරන්නේ සර් ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. Anyway, let's do it. This is the first part. Why? We should solve the brackets first. We should solve the bracket first. Brackets. We should solve the brackets first. Then, okay, what is the gate? I should very first thing you should write the wires. Yes, wires. We have A, we have B, we have C. I am going to draw these 3 wires like this. Wires just equation all the different letters. Like A dekak tibba gila A dekak wires only one wire. Right? B, draw a wire. C, draw a wire like this. Straight wire. Follow the steps. It's correct. Then A dot B. So to make this, to draw this bracket, you need A here, you need B here. To form this. Now, මෙන්න මේ operation එක what is the gate? මොකද්ද මේ gate එක මේ ඉඳලා තියෙන්නේ? What is the gate? What is this dot? මොකද්ද මේ දෙකට කරන්න දාන්න ඕන gate එක? To A dot B, what is the gate I should put? Yes, tell me the gate. Very good. And gate. And gate. Yes, yes, yes. And gate. Okay. Then I will draw an AND gate here. So then my output, always write the output. හැමතිස්සෙම output එක ලියන්න each and every gate. A dot B, I will get this. So this part is done. මෙයා ඉවරයි. හරි? That part is complete. Then take the C. Take the C. Now you have to do what? You have to, this part is okay. Now you have this. Now take these two into account. And what is the gate here? Now what is the gate here? මෙතන මොකද දැන් gate එක? What is the gate now? What is the gate now? Yes? O gate. O gate. O gate. O gate. Very good. Very good. හරි. Very good. Then draw the O gate. O gate එකක් යන්දා. Now in the O gate you get A dot B here. මෙතනින් A dot B එනවා. Here you get C. O gate එකක් දැම්මේ, so it is A dot B plus C. That is the equation. This is how you draw the circuit from the expression. Isn't it? Isn't it easy? Tell me in the chat. Isn't it easy? Yeah. Let me know. Let me know. Please, please, please. Yeah. Easy. Yes, 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 yes. It's easy. Okay. Okay. Right. Next meeting with mama full chat එක open කරන්න. Now I have the trust and the product, you know. And next week I will probably bring the Kahoot. Yeah. Oh, wait, yeah, කරන්න. Yes. Hi. Okay. Others tell me, is it easy or hard? Is it easy or hard? Tell me in the chat. Tell me in the chat. Horizontal way, please. Can you do the horizontal way means මේ wires තුන මෙහෙම නැතුව horizontal යන් දින්නද? That is the one you are requesting. Is that? Please tell me. Yeah, I can do that way as well. Is that the one you are requesting? Sir, don't draw these three wires. Just keep it like this. Is it that? මෙහෙම දෙන්නද කියලා? Yes, okay. එහෙම අඳින්නම්. Fine. Okay, not draw. Here you get A. Here you get B. Here you get C. අවුලක් නැහැ. Same thing. අර විදිහට යන්දාම that is common to any kind of a question. කොච්චර ලොකු වුණත් question එක. You just draw the wires first. So you have the wire. what point උඩින් A එක අරගෙන ආයෙ යටටත් A එක ඕනේ කියලා හිතන්න. ඔයාලට කෙලින්ම dot එක දැම්ම ඇදලා ගත්තා. ආයෙ මෙහෙම දාලා jump කරන්න ඕනේ. That is the reason I am practicing that method. Right? Okay. Okay, can do. And do, sir. 100% clear, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, now I'm going to give you an expression, sorry. And I'm expecting you to draw the gate and send me in the WhatsApp. Are you ready? Tell me, are you ready? Last either. Okay, I'm going to give you an expression and I'm expecting someone beat Altaf. Altaf pass කරන්න කවුරුද? එක තප්පරේ කලින් පාර Ilham and Altaf. Ilham, you are 852. Altaf 851. පොඩි මිනිත් එකක වෙනසක් තියෙනවා. Okay. So I'm going to give you the equation. A, B, C. I see if I'm going to now. 8 plus B plus C. Let's start from this. Let's start from this. Okay, I took my phone. I'm waiting for your responses. I'm waiting for your responses. Altaf first. Others. Okay. Altaf, I'm not expecting this answer. You have write the outputs. You have write the outputs. You have write the outputs. No, I can't take this answer. Still, the chance is open to everyone. Send me the answers in the WhatsApp. Tabdal and the photo का क्या हुआ है हुआ. Very simple. हाँ record कर रहा हूँ. ये let's see. हाँ क्या? Okay. Ilham second. Okay, fine. A dot B, B plus C. Correct? Okay. Yeah, Ilham also still no. Oh, yeah, you should you should write the output each and every gate. Hamma gate tak give output tak liye leva. Still the chance is open. Write the output each and every gate. 2 on. Perfect 2 on. Brackets dala ne. Each and every gate output should be bracketed. But correct. Output, antim output ke dala diya. Hai. That's correct. Alright, done. Mistakes whether they live. So I'm practicing you to not to make mistakes in this test. Perfect you. Correct. So you are the first. Zuha. Correct. 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 Yes. Okay, no. I'm waiting for your answer. Oh, correct. Najma, let's see. Correct, Najma. Shananya. Correct. You are also correct. Perfect. So the first is Ilham. Wait, yeah. I question mark ke dala is correct here. Correct. පොඩි කුයි ඇඳලා තියෙන විදිය පොඩ ලස්සනට අඳින්න ඕන ශාලා. Right? And A එකෙන් අරගෙන තියෙනවා okay, B එකෙන් අරන් තියෙනවා okay, B එක මෙතනින් අරන් තියෙනවා. Okay, correct, not wrong, not wrong. Always try to draw straight lines, ශාලා. Try to draw straight lines. මෙහෙම යන ඇදේට යන්නේවා දාන්න. ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. Okay. So correct, your one is not wrong. Here. Okay, your one. Perfect to me. You also should to draw the brackets. Bracket around it. So, and here also I can see some exam because the only lady so can't get own negative. Very okay. Okay then. If it is easy, try this. Or lazy, having lazy way in the way. Abdul. Perfect, correct. Very good. On that. I don't want pattern you will follow the huh? Okay, this is the answer. I am drawing A, B, C. We have A, B, C. So I am drawing 3 wires. First one I am solving this bracket. You can solve any of the bracket you want. No issue. So I am solving the first one. I am taking A, taking B. What is the operation here? Just an AND gate. So I am drawing an AND gate. So I get my answer as A dot B and I bracket it. Then I get B, I get C. Then පේනවද මම ආයෙ මෙතන jump කරන්න ගියාද ළමයි? Did I jump? නෑ මම කෙලින්ම B එක ආයෙ මෙතනින් ගත්තා. මෙතනින් ගත්තා. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. correct. එහෙම ගන්න same wire එක wire එකක්. These are wires. So C I took from here. මේ කරන්නේ අර wire එක මෙම සුද්ධ කරලා තියලා බවුට් එකක් දාලා ඒ කරන වැඩේ විතර. Right. Then plus what is the gate? O gate. This is the shape. Right. I get here B plus C. So I put the bracket. Finally, I have again O gate here. They plus O gate. So what I'm going to do, I draw the O gate like this. And here I say A dot B plus B plus C. This is the output. This is the correct circuit. This is the correct circuit. Perfect. Right. Is it clear? Are you ready for the next question? I'm going to give you the next one. Ready? Ready? Right. Okay. Erase karna screenshot and take the screenshot you want. Okay, I'm going to do this. Fine. Okay, here. Challenge here. Now not gate is coming. Not gate balbu korai here. Lazy beyond. A bar B plus C bar. Okay, plus A put a meter right? With two not gates. Not gates, they come in the dark. Now send me the answers. I'm waiting for the responses. Column is still the lower any target. Two on your previous one is correct. Alta of a gate. Make a very father night. I need to chance enough. You want to say. Okay. Correct. Ilham second. What are I speaking? Okay, Ilham. Correct. Very good. Mom done sir. Done Alta, you should write the output. Go output take a little. Adisya Ego again. Okay. Waiting for the other responses. Only two yet. Only two yet. Waiting for the third person. Make it quick. Shala. What is that? මොකක්ද ශාලේ කියන්නේ වයර්ස් දෙකක් හේතුවක් නැතුව එකට ජොයින් වෙන්නේ නැහැ සර්. එතන පොඩි මිස්ටේක් එකක් තියෙනවා. අපි බලමු අවුට්පුට් එක එන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. වයර්ස් දෙකක් හේතුවක් නැතුව නිකන් ඔය A බා එකයි B එකයි නිකන් එහෙම ජොයින් කරලා that is a mistake. එහෙම වෙන්න බෑ. check that again. පොඩ්ඩක් ආයෙ හදලා යන්න බෑ. 2 on next. Your one. Correct. Nee. Oh, correct. Correct. Very good. And who is this? Sanand. Yes. You are the also correct. Very good. Others. See, සමහර ළමයි ඉන්නවා ඒවත් වෙනවා. So I can't track you ළමයි. How can I take the responsibility of you learn? Question. ඔහන්සේගේ එවන්න බැරි නා. සමහර ළමයි ඉන්නවා. Phones නැද්ද? Tell me the reason. ඒවත් වෙනවා නැහැ. Phone එකකින් ඉන්නේ. බලන්න නේද? You are coming to the online meeting through a phone. Yeah, that's right. Yes, sir. Now it's correct. What that means, I will explain. Yes. What that means? How body mistake team. Who's this nudge now? And yes, correct. Perfect. And then who's this? Ikma. Your one also correct. And what it? Nah. Ikma, your one is nah, wrong. Either wrong. Where is the not gates? You should put the not gates. Put in and Canvases. Mail. Najma, your one is correct, as I said. Umair, correct. Very good. Correct. Your one is correct. Others also same? Yeah. I got reading the laptop. Okay. Okay. So there situation where students. ඕකලන්ට logic gate එක අධික option එකක් තියෙනවා. I will look a website that you can use the laptop version. It's okay. The recording එක එවයි කියලා හිතලා අයි වෙනවා. ඒකයි. නෑ වන් නැතුව ඉන්නවා නෙවෙයි මම තියා මොනවා කරන්නේ මම බලන්න permission දුන්නොත් permission එක දෙක නැතද? ඔය දැන් අද මේ සතිය දුන්නොත් ඊළඟ සතියට ඔක Shall wait, I'm doing now. Yeah, I'm going to do now. Yes. Now three letters. We have A, we have B, we have C. So I'm going to draw three wires. A, B, C. Right? Then first bracket A bar B. If bracket together before you are joining this A bar with B, lamai, you should make this A see, we don't have A, we have A bar. Before joining it with B, we have to make it A bar. We have A. Originally we have A. How to make this A bar? What is the gate? A bar and what is the gate? I showed you. What is the gate? Not gate is the gate. Not gate again, you know. If you send A, you get A bar. Then you get B. You can directly get the B here. We have got the B. Easy. Then, what's the operation here? What is the operation? Mukut දැම්මේ නෑ. මුකුත් දැම්මේ නැත්තම් what's the operation? මම කලින් මුකුත් දැම්මේ නෑ. මෙහෙමදී. What's the operation? Off. AND gate එක තුල. මේ තියෙන්නේ AND gate එක. අන්න ඒක තමයි කිව්වේ. හරි. So, here I am drawing the AND gate. My output will be A bar dot B. My output will be A bar dot B. Clear? Then C bar. We have C. So as usual, I use a NOT gate here to get the C bar. C තියෙනවා. NOT gate එකක් දැම්මා. I get C bar. Right? You know? Now I have C bar. I have A bar dot B. දැම්මට ඕනේ මෙයත් හරි. මෙයත් හරි. Now the full one. Now the full one. I am getting this wire here. Getting C bar wire here. What is the middle operation? What is the middle operation? O gate. O gate. So draw a O gate here. Simple. Such simple. Picture it is. The final answer. Write the final answer. Equation is A bar B. You are getting from here plus C bar plus C bar. Is it clear? Take the screenshots and tell me in the chat. Please send me the responses. Is it clear? Clear the. Send me in the chat. Is these conversion types are clear? Now today we learned how can we convert a Boolean expression to the logic circuit and logic circuit to the Boolean expressions. Tell me in the chat. Tell me in the chat. Najma, yes sir. Yes, very good. Yeah, yes sir. Okay, any others? Yes sir. Done sir. Okay, lights off. Okay, fine. Clear, eh? Okay, done. Then, okay, one last one. එකම අන්තිම එකක් කරමු. තව එකක් කරමු from this. And let's jump to this truth table. මේක මීට වඩා practice කරන්න ඕනේ. There are some questions we have to practice after this. Next week, අපි practice එක කරමු. ඊට පස්සේ I'm starting the web, starting the database, and probably doing the Excel online too. ඔය ටිකෙන් තමයි mainly A pass එක set කරගන්න. හරි. ඔය ටික හදලා දෙන්න. Right. Then get your pen ready. Get your pen ready. Okay. Either. Okay. Alright. Alright. One. Ready? A bar B full bar C. ඔන්න මුකුත් නැහැ දැන්. කිසිම ගේට් එකක් ඔපරේෂන් එකක් මම දාලා නැහැ. What is the operations now? Smart students are there as I see in the chat and the responses. මුලේ තියෙන සෙට් එකක් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. පුළුවන්ද දැන් කරන්න? I said to you what is this? මුකුත් දුන්නේ නැත්තම් මැද what is the meaning? What is the meaning? What is the meaning? මුකුත් දුන්නේ නැත්තම් මැද what is the meaning? Waiting for your responses. I'm waiting for your responses. This is the one. Yeah. Multiplication. Very good. Okay. Draw the circuit now. Andi the circuit. Circuit එක ඇඳලා එවන්න. Ilham first place. Okay. A hari B hari and this color. So you know this is before. Okay, good. Correct. NAND gate का expect करें है ran direction. Correct. Others, I'm waiting for your responses. I'm waiting for your responses. Right. අමාරුයිද? දැන් ළමයි මෙතන පොඩි hint එකක් දෙන්න. response දෙනවා. පොඩක් දෙයක් තුනම. response. Okay, now I am getting correct. Who is this? The name Tuan. Correct. Your needs. Yes. Perfect. Sergeant. Sergeant නෙමෙයි කවුද කියන්නේ? තමීන. අරන් Sergeant कैसे करोगे? Okay, correct. You also used an AND gate. Umair. Yeah, correct. Correct. නෑ. Umair NAND gate එකක් use කරාද? නෑ නේ. හරි. ඒක මම දැක්කේ. Your one is correct. Okay. Very good. Correct. Other responses? Zimana. Perfect. Correct. Your one is correct. Shahala. Shahala, why did you use a O gate? No plus නැහැ. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ only multiplication. AND gate තමයි use කරන්නේ. අපි බලමු මේකත් කරන්න ඇති. And who is this? Shananya. Shananya also correct. Hari. Perfect. හරියටම කරලා තියෙනවා. Okay, correct. Who is this? Yellow color Anajma. Correct. You are correct. Anajma අන්තිම එක නිකන් O gate එකක් වගේ ගිහිලා තේ AND gate එක ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ perfect වත්. අවුලක් නැහැ. හරි. shape එකේ හරි. Shall I do? Is that the responses? Okay. Here, this is the answer. Get ready. ඉස්සල්ලාම we should put the operations here. දැන් මුකුත් නැහැ. If you don't have anything, you should put the dot here. Then if you don't have anything, you should put the dot. Right? Nothing means dot. Dot means multiplication. Now do. Now you have three letters. I am going to draw the three letters. A, B, C. A, B, C. Right? Now, inside the bracket first, according to the bod mass, I need A bar, but I don't have. I have A on. So I take A here and I put a NOT gate. So I get the A bar. I took the A I put a NOT gate, I got the A bar. Is it clear? Okay. That number is not working. No. My number is working. People are sending messages. But I have to have it. 072 494 3352. 072 494 3352. Now. Alright. A bar is coming like that. Now I need B. Then me උදවායක හිතනවද දැම්ම no ළමයි. මේ බලන්න. මේ දෙන්නගේම common bar එකක් තියෙනවා. This is a common bar for both these. So you don't need to consider this bar now. You should first form this one. මේක හදලා තමයි මෙයා දිහා බලන්න ඕනේ. නේ? මෙයාව හදලා තමයි if you should do this first and then only you should look at this. මේක උඩ තියනවා කියලා මෙයා B bar වෙන්නේ නැහැ. This is B. This is a A bar B total bar. A bar is global, common to all. That is not taken into account. First, find the B. Make a L හදලා ඉවර කරමු ඉස්සෙල්ලා. Right. Get the B here. What is the operation? AND gate, multiplication. Here we get B. So my output is lamai. My output is A bar dot B. My output is A bar dot B. Okay. So for that one, should we put the double bracket? මෙතන bracket එකක් double bracket එකක් දාගන්න ඕනේ නැහැ ඒක. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. double bracket වැටෙනවා මගේ method එක follow කරොත්. හරිද? දැනට අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. වැරදි නැහැ. දැන් බලන්න මෙහිම bracket එකක් තිබ්බට it's not wrong. හරි it's not wrong. You can put the double bracket if you want, but not wrong. That was correct. Alright, okay. Then what else? මේක ගත්තා. Now ළමයි now check. දැන් තමයි total bar is coming. Now only this total bar is coming. Right? Let's see. කොහොමද total bar එක ගත්තා? හරි simple. Whatever the thing you come in the output, just put a O gate. Then you get A bar dot B. You have this name. This is the one you go through this O not gate. We not gate again. This entire thing. So whatever the thing coming, you should put a total bar. කොහොම ලොකු බාර් එකක් දැම්ම වැඩේ ඉවරයි. හරි. So yeah, whatever the thing you get here, when you put a NOT gate, a total bar is applied. So that is your this entire portion. This is done. This is done. මෙතන ආයෙ රැකට් එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ. gate එක රැකට් එක portion. රැකට්ස් දාන වැඩි කරගන්නත් එපා. ඒක මම නෑ. අර විදියට දාන්න gate එක අවශ්‍ය. Then C. Then you need to and gate the C. And current C. So what is the gate? What is the operation? And gate is the operation. I draw the gate here. So my output is A bar dot B bar, which is coming from this wire. And I get C from this wire. So dot C. Dot C. Here is the method. Output. Is this conversion clear? Is this conversion clear? Now it's 9:35. After truth tables coming, pick up Madhivi. Is it clear? Let me in the chat. Let me in the chat. Put me that in chat. Is it clear up to now? Up now is it everything clear? Let me know. Let me know. Without that, I can't proceed. Everyone chatting. Clear, sir. Okay. Yeah, sir, clear. Yeah, sir, all clear. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir, clear. Okay, okay. Right, do that. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. How the logic gates method මම දන්නවා දැන් මට තේරෙන විදිහට there were some students who already knew logic. දැනගෙන හිටපු අය හිටියේ. All your doubts gone up to now. තිබ්බ ඔක්කොම doubts මොනවාද තිබ්බනම් gone in this lesson any doubts now? තාම truth table part එකෙන් අහන්න එපා doubts. ඒක ඕගොල්ලන් නැහැනේ. මේ area එකේ මීට කලින් doubts තිබ්බද? Ask. Now ask it. If you have any doubts up to now, උනාට තියෙනවා නම් හිතලා අහන්න. Yeah. No doubts now. Perfect. Okay. Truth table එකත් යන්න. Shall we or tired? Answer. Yeah. Tired? What? Let's do the truth table. Okay. Fine. Yes, that is the willpower I am expecting, Hari. For analysis part, මට like එකක් වගේ යවන react එකක් දාන්න grade 10s here. 10s ඉන්නවා react එකක් දුන්න. Like button එකක් කරන්න. Smash that like button. Yes. උනේ 10. Okay. Grade 11s. 11s. Not 11 plus 11. Okay, yeah, 11. Okay, Abdullah 11. Okay. Who's that TLX? You are it. Okay, 11 plus. 11 plus. Method. Okay. Means up. 11 plus. Facing always this time. Okay, good. Right. Jump into the truth table. Okay, perfect. Chala. What he says, oh, no. I know you. 11 plus. You can't hear that. Am I not audible now? I am audible, right? So I purchased a 70 fiber line for this. All that online class. Huge expense. Right. I am jumping to the truth table. So as I said, Lamai, from what I can generate the truth table. Now tell me if you can remember or by referencing the screenshot that you took earlier. Tell me, මොකක්ද අපේ truth table එක ලියන්න ඕනේ? Which one? Main. What do we need? Check the screenshot. Check the screenshot and tell me what do we need directly to make this truth table. හරියටම තියෙන්න ඕනේ truth table එක ගන්න. What should we have? Okay, I'm getting the responses, man. Output. The signal is okay. Okay. There are three components. We have logic gates. We have logic gates. So we have expression. We have expression. And we have truth table. We have truth table. Expression එක තියෙනවා. Logic gate එක තියෙනවා. Truth table එක තියෙනවා. Now we learned logic gates to expression. We learned Boolean expression to the logic gate. Truth table එකට මොකක්ද ඕනේ? Logic gate or the Boolean expression? That is the question I'm asking. Now tell me, which one do we need to generate the truth table? Truth table එකට මොකක්ද ඕනේ? Now tell me. Go to the screenshot and tell me. මම මොකෙන්ද arrow එක දාලා තියෙන්නේ මේ truth table එකට Boolean expression එකෙන්ද arrow එක දාලා තියෙන්නේ නැත්නම් logic gate එකෙන්ද? From what? From what did I put the arrow? From the logic gate or the Boolean expression? Okay. Very good. Yeah, correct. Others? Put it in the chat. Chat එකේ දාන්න. Okay. No. You didn't check the screenshot earlier, ne? Mainly තියෙන්නේ open. Not that. Yes, Nashma, correct. Correct. We should mainly have what? Check. You should mainly have Boolean expression to draw the truth table. Boolean expression එක තමයි අපිට තියෙන්න ඕනේ to draw the truth table. Very good. Very good, Simana. Great. Okay. Now, so write the topic Boolean expressions to truth table. But I am recommending you in the exam try to get both first. So I'm going to okay. So Boolean expression to the truth table. Boolean expression to what? Truth table. That is the thing we are going to learn now. We have 20 more minutes. Let's make it quick. Okay. Bye. Okay. 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 I'm not going to answer only of those. No, I'm in the full kit. Okay. Then Boolean expression. Let's try with an example. Hurry. Let's take A plus B, very simple one. A dot B, let's take A dot B first. A dot B plus C. Oh my god, first A dot B plus C. That is my equation. That is my expression. How do we generate the truth table? What's the first step? Write the columns. Draw the columns. Now, like drawing wires. Wires are like drawing wires. Now, how many columns input columns do we have? A, B, C. Same process. Same process. A need a column, B need a column, C need a column. That is the very first step. Step. Analyze the letters, draw the columns for that. Right? So I'm making the columns. Then, next step, note down if any single bars are there, A bar both, B bar both, any single bars like this, I'll make this a bar. A both. Right after this, that is the column you should do. B bar. Bars both. Tani and both is right. Maybe together bars, ignore, not now, later. Individual bars both. Right after these columns. Main thing. Columns are clear. No. Is it clear? Is it clear? That's the process. Now, C bar both, you need a C bar too. C bar too. A bar both, you need a separate A bar column. Right? Individual both. Maybe both. Full bar both, no need. No need now. Later we can add. Right? Okay, now we have like this. We have like this. What is the next column? What is the next column? That individual we have individual. Now, same process we used to draw the logic gate. Islam we process again the logic gate. Okay, we first fix the bracket. So let's fix the bracket here first. Okay, A dot B bar. Do we have A here? Do we have A column? Yes, we have. Do we have B bar column now? Yes, we have. So what is the column we should make? A dot B bar column. So we can make that column here. A dot B bar column. Right? We can make that column. Then this entire part is now done. This entire part is now done. What's next? What's next? C. Adding C. Do we have C? Yes. Now do we have this entire thing? Yes, maybe. Now we have this here. Now we have C here. What's the operation? O gate. O gate. This is the table. Just write that. Now this one A dot B bar. C at the C. That is my final column. Did you understand? Yes, May column May side when you are coming from here to this way, what happens? What is happening here? Your equation is built in there. So your final column should be your equation. Step by step vector. Steps that method we got a total bar of tibba. Assume you have a total bar like this. Make column make a hadante galing. Now you made this column. Before making this column, you should draw the column in middle A dot B bar total bar. ඒ column එක middle දාන්න ඕන. දැනට මේක නැහැ. එහෙම ආවොත් එහෙමයි දාන්න ඕන. Right? If you get A dot B bar total bar, that column, that separate column should come in middle of this method and do. Right? Step by step in the truth table, what you should do, you should build up the equation. Equation එක build up කරගෙන. Right? Any questions? Yes. Sir, B bar means I should put only B bar. Right. Then what about B? No. මෙතන B bar තියෙන හින්දා B bar විතරක් දාන්න. No. Please write the B. එතනින් තමයි mistakes වෙන්නේ. You should write the B. In the equation you have only B bar. Okay. That doesn't mean you should put only B bar. The first step. Write the steps first. Write the steps. Step number 1. Draw all the input wires. Draw all the input columns. Input columns. Draw all the input columns. Second step. Draw negative individual columns. Draw negative individual columns. Can bars. Individual columns. Columns. Those are the bars. Individual bars. Then draw columns to build up equation gradually. To build up equation gradually. So the final column will be your final equation. Please ask me the doubts you have. ඕක තමයි අමාරු කැලේ. එතනින් පස්සේ ලේසි. This is the main thing of the truth table. Make up the main thing in the truth table. ඕක අමාරු නම් කියන්නේ. Is it hard? Is it hard? Tell me. Is this part hard? If this is the equation, what is the first step? Draw each and every input line as a column. Right? Then build up then draw the negative ones, negative individuals. B bar is the negative individual we have. Draw that. What's next? Now draw the separate, build up the columns like this. Remember, like you make the logic gate. ඒකට තමයි මම කිය logic gate එක ඇඳලා enter. Then you know what are the columns you have. Okay. දැන් බලන්න මෙහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන්. This is an easy way. If you draw the truth table, if you draw the logic gate, it will be very easy for you. But here see. Let's draw the logic gate for this. We have A, we have wait. We have A, we have B, we have C. Like this. Now I will draw the wires. I am going to draw the logic gate. Take the A, B bar. Take the B bar. Okay, this is my B bar. So you have to write every gate output. Hammer gate, even the not gate, you should write the output in the logic gate. Okay. Now you should draw the AND gate here. Then AND gate you will get A dot B bar like this. AND gate. What's the operation? AND gate. Now take the C. Now take the C. Now take the C. And join it. What's the operation in middle? What is the operation in middle? O gate. Yes. O gate. O gate. So draw the O gate. So you get what? A dot B bar plus C. Only. Each and every output is the column. See? A, B, C. Then B bar. Got it? Then see A dot B bar. See? And this one. A dot B bar plus C. A dot B bar plus C. That is the final output column. May output, each and every output from each and every gate is each and every column. How much table now simple. That thing we should write the input. Now you should draw a line, hard line between the input wires and the output wires. This will be very easy for you to do the question. It's not compulsory to do that. But if you draw a nice line in between this will be very easy. And now there is a pattern. That pattern make up to you. Now start from A. Start from A. Let's say start from C. Start from very first C input line. This is the wire. This is the input wire breaking point. These are the equation side. This is the equation side. This is the wire side. Input wire side. Start from the very first C. Start from 0. Next one is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 3 wires there only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we have 8 responses. I think 8 will not narrative. Many reason A, B, C. How many wires? 3. We have 3 wires. 2 to the power 3 here the number of wires. All method 2 way, we are always using zeros and ones. Always 2. 2 use 2 to the power 3 If there are only 2 input wires, 2 to the power 2. We practice set the high with the situations they can 2 or 3. Variables to not power 8 lines. Variables they got power 4 lines. Variables hatarak power any most of the times any hatarak power 16 lines. Variables hatarak power 16 lines. If it is only 8, if it's only 3 variables, 8. If there are 3 input wires, you should draw 8 rows. 8 rows. Maybe the other side. 2 input wires, only 4 rows. One input one input wire, only 1 row. And 4 input wires, how many rows? 16 rows. How many rows can be each and every line? So I started from 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, anyway, it's okay. Practice your stop. So now 2 zeros, 2 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones. Then what is the next one? 4 zeros, 4 ones. See, 4 zeros, 4 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. That's the pattern. Alright. 16 columns, so 16. 4 columns, 16 rows. Enough? 8 zeros, 8 ones. 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, continues the pattern. And then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 until it ends. Until it completes the number of rows. Enough. 3 inputs both. So 2 inputs both. Make pattern with see. 2 inputs both make a why? We should put only 4 rows. 4 rows. Rows that is the thing. 1 input both only. Sorry, 2 rows. 1 input both 2 rows. Right? Situations they have to know. 1 input both 2 rows. Yeah, 2 rows. These are the levels. Is it clear? Is it clear? Let me know in the comments. In the chat. When this is the first time you are learning this. Maybe the first time this is little difficult. Amaru man, lazy, still difficult. First time clear, right? Is it clear? Right, clear. Now hard part is the then just do the operation. Then B now. So you have B bar. So you have B asking the B bar. Now B bar means opposite. If it is 0, 1. 0 na 1. 1 na 0. 1, 0. If it is 0, answer is 1. 0 na answer is 1. If it is 1, 0, 1, 0. Right? Right. That is the thing. B bar opposite that means 0 na 1 karana 1 na 0 karana. If it is 0, make it 1. If it is 1, make it 0. That is the thing. B again, B bar. Make column make it. That's it. Clear? Then A dot B bar. Now we have the B bar column. Here see. Now this is done. We have this column. Do we have A? Do we have A? Yes, we have the A. We have the A. What now we should do? A into B bar. We should multiply and get methane we should multiply. So methane decker. Methane 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, and 1 into 1, 1 into 1. It is 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. These are the outputs of that. Okay, is it clear? Right then, now we have this column too. Then මේ column එකක් තියෙනවා. Now we need to make this column. දැන් බලන්න මෙයා මෙතන ඉන්නවා. We have this part. මෙයා ඉන්නවා මෙතන. So that part is correct. මෙයා දිහා විතර බලන්න. And here do we have C? Do we have C? We have C. We have C here. See, we have C. Now what you should do is do the addition. මෙතන add කරන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. It is saying to add me. So do the addition. Let's see. බලන්න කරා. end one. 0 here 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 0 1 0 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 2 the no it is 1 api me kara 1 plus 1 1 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 0 1. That is the root pair. That is the root pair. Now try to be. What is the hard part? Again, recap. Balanda. What are the steps? Draw all the input columns. A, B, C. Draw the input columns. Then what? Draw the negative individual columns. What are the bars? Draw that. Then draw the columns to build up the equation. Okay, Berna. What's the easy step? First draw the logic gate. Then you can once you write each and every output of each and every logic gate, then you have the columns. Columns. This each and every output is the column. So put it in the order. Put it in the order. Right? Either input fill karana. Then you have to fill the inputs. How to fill the inputs? This is the method. If there's only one input, it's 0 and 1. If there's two inputs, 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 that pattern. Identify the pattern. Bindu 4 1 4 bindu 2 1 2 bindu 2 1. Just look at that pattern. A you do it. So if there's a A, B, C, D, so then the A will be 8 zeros, 8 ones. Then B will be 4 zeros, 4 ones. That pattern. Finally 0 1 0 1 column එකක් තියෙනවා. That's the final column. So once you fill that part, if you fill කරන part එක when you are doing the activities, you will get the practice. On the next week, we will do more questions and we will practice this more. Then you will get the practice of making the truth tables. So for now, I just teach the truth table. Today, I can't give you any questions to try it on because our time is up. So take a screenshot and for today, let's wind it up. Take the screenshot now. Screenshot. Take the screenshot and tell me, is it clear for you? Tell me, is it clear for you? And please give a good feedback, any critics or anything you feel about the seminar, about the session. Please tell me better if you can tell it in the WhatsApp. WhatsApp එකෙන් මේ කියන්න පුළුවන් නම් හොඳයි. Yes, sir, clear. Okay. Tell me in the chat. අන්තිම truth table කැල්ල පොඩ්ඩක් doubtful නම් it is okay lamai. I am teaching you entire lesson at one day. That is very hard for a student to understand. It's coming with the practice. Let's practice it in the next coming day. හරිද? අන්තිම part එක පොඩ්ඩක් හරි පොඩි හරි doubt එකක් තියෙනවා නම් it will be gone by next week. I will make you easy that part. Okay, any other responses? The entire class is clear, no doubt. Thank you, Najma. It was clear enough, sir. Yes, thank you, Abdullah. Any others? If you put me a good response in the WhatsApp, I will put it in my status too. And I will save each and every one. You have sent me the name. Who is this? These call them Riza. My brother mistake. Did I? No. Okay. Umair. What happened? Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you for today's class, sir. Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Any other responses? Yes, the class is all clear. Thank you. Yes, all are clear. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Any other responses? Wait. Oh, sure. Yes, sir, clear. Okay. Altaf. Thanks, sir. Okay, you're welcome. Thank you. Yes. Thank you very much, sir. It was clear enough and I had a nice time. Okay, thank you, Rizal. Clear, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, okay, well then I'm winding up the session. Then let's meet on next week with concluding this session and keep on touch. If you can try to register on the website because I am continuing the class until your all levels and it's entirely free. I won't charge any penny from you until it's all levels done. So I'm continuing this and concluding this session today. Thank you for your attendance. Let's meet next week, guys. Expecting your active participation next week too. Okay, I'm winding up the session.